I'm just going to go through the glass collections. This one is black glass. Let's take a look at that. I haven't opened them yet. That is black glass. And let's do pink glass next. Open that one up. Oh, that one's nice. Pink glass. Can't wait to swatch these. Blue glass. Oh, I love blue anyways, but that's really cool. Green glass. That lid off. Oh, I love this. I love that green. Purple glass. Oh, I've already used this one, that's right. Really nice, purple. And red glass, let's see. Yeah, I used this one on a set of over top of holograph. Really nice consistency, I like that. Really nice. You don't have to mix these, love that. So I'm going to start with the black one, because I want to play around with how, like, you know, you can do those little fades and stuff like that, and I think that'd be really neat. So you can have a nail that's still sparkly and then like fades to a darker color of the same sparkle, which is really cool. That's nice. I think what I'll do, actually, I think I'll swatch on these ones because I don't have any clear right now. But this is nice because you can kind of see how like the transparency of it, which is nice. Really easy to work with. So now we'll swatch this one. This is pink glass. Really nice color. I'll have to do clear swatches too, I think, just to see how that looks. And this one is blue glass. I always love blues. Blues and purples. Well, I guess I should say I also like reds and greens, so I guess all of them, but this one's really beautiful. The next one is red glass. Love, love, love red. Actually, I think what I'll do, instead of swatching on clear tips, I'll use either like dual forms, purple, this one looks so good. This one is really beautiful. Love purple. And the last one of the 6 is green glass. So let's do this one, and then we'll do clear swatches next. That one's just awesome. I'll cure that. And I'm going to go in and top coat those. So these are the glass gels over the natural tips. And the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the dual forms and swatch them that way. So you can see them against a clear background. That is super cool. Cure that. Next one. Okay. Red glass. What size did I use there? I forget. That is the red glass. Do pink next. Pink looks purple and then purple looks blue. That's what, on camera. I might have to play around with filters to try to get an accurate depiction of what it looks like. We'll do the blue glass next. I think this one's my favorite. These would be really good for doing marble nails. Especially if you wanted to use like a creamy color or a milky color, like the fade to white or the angel white. Yeah, I just love blue. Still my favorite. And I'll do green glass next. Let's see here. That is so nice. And purple is the last one. Let's see. Purple glass. And these dual forms are pretty convenient, I'll say. Because I don't have any clear tips at the moment. This is a really nice purple. So after I took off the gel from the dual forms, I realized that it actually looked a lot better with the clear there without the form on top. So I just thought I'd reshoot this a little bit and get a better idea of how bright they are. Super, super bright.